Okay, so thank you for switching over to the individual mode. You'll notice that a few things have been rearranged. Specifically, the entire admin area is now gone since you won't be needing company, team, or user management anymore. You'll also observe that both the integrations and the event rules have been relocated to their dedicated individual panel. And finally, and perhaps most importantly, under your profile, you will now find the Card Design tab, which you would typically see within the Company Design section. You'll observe that the interface is precisely the same, with the singular modification being the addition of the About Company card. This particular card is something you would ordinarily encounter within the company management area. Should you ever wish to revert to the team mode, you can easily accomplish this by navigating to your personal settings. And finally, if you ever find yourself in need of any assistance whatsoever, please do not hesitate to reach out and email our support team at support@caranetworks.com.